Your brand is what other people say about you when you're not in the room. Mark Golding's brand is unquestionably authentic. As you just witnessed, he is a man of the people, a man for all seasons. Mark Golding has signaled that greater consultation with our arms and affiliates will be a priority under his leadership. Let's welcome Comrade Esther Wauchope from the PNP's Women's Movement and Omar Newel, president of the PNP's Patriots, to let us know why they are confident that going with Golding is the best move.
Good evening. In deciding who to support for president of the PNP, I thought it important to look at what the PNP needs at this time. And I agree with Jamaicans that what we need is unity and a builder. On the matter of unity, Mark is the least polarizing member of the House of Representatives, and perhaps the least polarizing member of our parliament in general, with perhaps the exception of Gabby. Mark won his contest to represent South St. Andrew in a brutal contest that took place in the public eye, and he has been able to unite his constituency. Mark also has a track record as a builder, and his increased margin in his constituency will free him up to give focused attention to the details and the nagging issues in the constituencies that we must win if we are to form the next government. In addition to that, his connections will ensure that he can find the resources, as he did as party treasurer, to finance a robust program of work. Additionally, Mark has been a friend of the PNP Patriots. He was our guest speaker at our last Congress last year, and I'm very happy to be going with Golding.
I mean, I want a moderation, oh. I come, I mean, I want a moderation, oh. Comrades, delegates, are you ready? Do you feel the passion? You really see the purpose? I feel the passion, the women feel the passion, and they feel the purpose, and I see the purpose. As a woman of the People's National Party Women's Movement, and as a comrade, I am supporting Comrade Mark Golding. He has consistently demonstrated support for the People's National Party Women's Movement in assisting and reviewing laws and policies. Comrade Mark Golding is capable to market the People's National Party and manage its affairs. Comrade Mark Golding is an accountable individual. He is able to articulate and sell the vision of the People's National Party. Comrade Mark Golding is remarkable and full of charisma and charm. Have you met him? He is also reliable, and you, the delegates, can trust him. Trust me on that. Comrade Mark Golding is knowledgeable, and he pays keen attention to the policies of the party, and is also a keen listener. Comrade Mark Golding is kind. Delegates, as a woman, comrades, as a woman, Jamaica, as a woman, I am depending on you. You are already on your mark. We need you to get set. And on November 7, go to the polls, wear your mask, take your hand sanitizers, Don't be afraid. Go to the polls, look on the ballot, look for the first name. Mark your X in the box at Comrade Mark Jefferson Golding. I thank you, comrades. We are depending on you to make the right choice. Go with Mark.